Hello dear, welcome to Classic Techart. You see, to my computer is very complete uh, logo design. It is very nice and fantastic. So I'm gonna here just to explore this one and to learn you can do it properly and uh, you can introduce your institution by these logos, such kinds of logos. So now I'm going to talk, I'm going to start it from the beginning. So first of all, I needed to smaller this one and keep here for better job. So you see to here, this is the color combination, just I keep here before. So I needed to here go to the line segment. So I center here by pressing shift key is exactly like that. So I need to now just to keep here this like that. So I need it a little bit bigger here, a little bit. Okay, so I need to now just to copy this one. Go here, sorry, go here, keep it like that, and go by pressing Alt the just five just five rows here. So what should I do? I need to now just select this one and copy and paste. How do I edit? First of all, I need to press Control C and Control F. It is automatic done. So right here, just you see how this doing magic. This is the magic. So what can I do now? I just go here and select ellipse tool and start here by pressing F key, sorry, uh, Shift key, so that this this round not go to the outside of the circle. So right here, I need now select this one, and again I need copy and paste, and go here by like that, right angle, and I have keep here. So what can I do? I just to select all the things and go to the here shape builder tool and just the color here. It's like that. I'm starting here like that. Okay, so like that. Okay, so I'm keeping here and start. Okay, that's done well. This is done well. Oh my god, it's so good. So what can I do right now? I just let it be bigger and go to the direct selection tool and select here. Nice thing. Okay, go here. Yes, by shifting this this one and just like that. Okay, that's fine. Fantastic right here. And now just you this one how you just control Y. Okay. Now go to the again line segment tool and keep here the mouse cursor and just straight here. Keep this one straight. A little bit, a little bit here, a little bit, not much, a little bit. Yes, I think this fine and exactly done. So what should I do? I need again press Control Y. Okay, it's back and a back. So right here. Now again a little bit is so much good here, and I need this one like that a little bit. Yes, I think this is good. Not much good. Not good. Yes, this is good, I think. So I need now just to go to the select all the things, and I go to the again ability tool, go here and like that. Okay, you see how is going on. So I'm a little bit here smaller. So go here and select this one. So I would set all the things and now cut. Okay, I cut and it's very easy and very fantastic. It's very easy. Just pay attention for a few minutes and you can to learn this one correctly. Little bit, sorry, little bit here. Okay, just fine. So I think I needed to change the color here, the color. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so exactly like that, dear friends, it's exactly done well. So I need now just to group all the things and done is exactly what I show you in the screen. Thanks for watching.